Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, I am Muhammad Abdul Habib. Welcome you all to IMS tutorial for accounts. In this video, I will be explaining a problem on transfer of a sculpture. Let us have a question, page number A69, question number 4. Let me read out the question for you. Sri Jayaprakash purchased sculpture on 25th June 2000 for rupees 3 lakhs and is sold for rupees 10 lakhs. यहाँ पे who is the assessee? Sri Jayaprakash. He is purchasing a sculpture in the year 2000 on June 25th for rupees 3 lakhs. Hence the cost of acquisition for him will be 3 lakhs and is sold for rupees 10 lakhs. Consideration received will be 10 lakhs. During the previous year, selling expenses are 10,800. यहाँ पे transfer expenses क्या दिया हुआ है? 10,800. Calculate capital gain in the following two situations. Situation 1, if it is sold to Mr. Ravi Teja of Haryana State, and situation 2, if it is sold to Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi. Let us solve the problem. Here is the heading: computation of Mr. Sri Jayaprakash income from capital gain for assessment year 2019-2020. Here is the format, particulars and amount, and here is the working notes. Transferred asset sculpture. Sculpture comes under other assets, and the period of holding for other assets is, if it is held by the assessee for a period more than 3 years, it will be treated as long-term capital asset, and if it is held by the assessee for a period of less than 3 years, it will be treated as short-term capital asset. But यहाँ पे assessee के पास वो asset कब से है? 2000 से है. He is selling in the year 2018. It is held by the assessee for a period of more than 3 years. Hence, it will be treated as long-term capital asset. Transferred asset sculpture. The asset is held by the assessee for more than 3 years. Hence, it is treated as long-term capital asset. Now, he has sold the asset for rupees 10 lakhs. The consideration received becomes 10 lakhs. Less transfer expenses, which are given as 10,800 in the question. Subtracting 10,800 from 10 lakhs, the value is 9,89,200, which is called as net consideration. अब net consideration में से आपको क्या subtract करना है? Indexed cost of acquisition. How do we find indexed cost of acquisition? Before calculating indexed cost of acquisition, first we'll be calculating cost of acquisition. Cost of acquisition means the amount, the price paid to acquire the asset. Here the assessee has paid rupees 3 lakhs to purchase this sculpture. Here the cost of acquisition is 3 lakhs. But as the asset has been purchased by the assessee before 1st April 2001, the cost of acquisition will be calculated as higher of the following two amounts: actual cost and fair market value as on 1st April 2001. The higher of these two amounts will be taken as cost of acquisition. But as the question has not specified anything about the fair market value of the asset, the cost of acquisition will be taken as the price paid to acquire the asset, which is given as rupees 3 lakhs in the question. So calculating indexed cost of acquisition, the formula is cost of acquisition, which is the price paid to acquire the asset 3 lakhs into previous year index 280 divided by index of the year in which the asset was purchased. As the asset has been purchased before 1st April 2001, the index of such year will be taken as 100. The calculation is 3 lakhs into 280 divided by 100, which works out to be 8 lakhs 40,000. This is taken as indexed cost of acquisition. Subtracting 8 lakhs 40,000 indexed cost of acquisition from net consideration 9 lakhs 89,200, the answer is 1 lakh 49,200, which is income from capital gain. As it is a long-term capital asset, the profit on its transfer is a long-term capital gain. This was the solution for situation 1, where the assessee has sold the sculpture to Mr. Ravi Teja of Haryana State. Now coming to situation 2. What is situation 2? If the sculpture is sold to Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi. Here is the working notes for it. Paintings, drawings, etc. are treated as capital asset, but their sale to government or universities or national museum is not considered as transfer, that is sale. तो ये जो पेंटिंग ड्राइंग्स है ये कैपिटल एसेट्स में आते, बट अगर यही पेंटिंग और ड्राइंग्स अगर आप गवर्नमेंट को सेल कर रहे हैं या फिर कोई यूनिवर्सिटी को सेल कर रहे हैं या फिर नेशनल म्यूजियम को सेल कर रहे हैं, देन इट इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड एज सेल. इट मीन्स द प्रॉफिट ऑन सच सेल cannot be considered as capital gain. With this problem, I conclude the chapter capital gains. Hope you have understood each and every problem of this chapter. If you have any doubt related to any question, feel free to ask in your comments. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel IMS Tutorial for Accounts, and if you are a new subscriber to my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon. For further notifications, do like my video, post your valuable comments, and do share it with your friends, relatives and all. Your one share can help someone to learn something. See you all in next video with a new chapter, income from other sources. Thanks for your valuable time. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.